Hello.
What's your name?
Yeah, I'm Ujjwal. What's yours?
Mujur?
Yeah, it's Ujjwal. Ujjwal.
Okay, Sarah.
Yeah.
My name's Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
So
meet you.
where are you from?
I'm from India. I'm from Uttar
India.
Pradesh. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Would you like to chat on Cambly today or
Yeah. I would like to just chat on Cambly, just
just
normal
chat?
chat. Yeah.
Okay, great. What do you like to do apart from Cambly?
Yeah, there are a lot of things which I would like to do besides Cambly. Like some things, watching movies, playing outdoor and indoor games, and my mobile games.
Yeah,
So yeah, and gossiping with family. So there are a lot
gossiping.
of, yeah, gossiping with family and friends. Yes.
Gossiping. Okay, cool.
Lot of-
Um, the word gossip, it's like sometimes it has a negative connotation.
Why? Like it's gossiping means.
Well, chatting is like positive. Gossiping is like, like
Oh yeah,
maybe
it sounds
talking
something
about
strange.
your
Yeah.
neighbor behind their back or something.
Yeah.
It's funny. Um,
Okay.
okay, cool. What time is it? Where you are?
Yeah, it is 7 at evening.
Seven.
7 p.m. Yeah,
Okay.
7 p.m. So what about you?
Here it is 1:30 in the afternoon. Um,
Uh, so like, where are you from?
I'm from Northern Ireland,
Northern Ireland. Okay, that's good.
and you know where this is.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
Don't know. It's in the UK. Do you know where the
Oh,
UK is?
yeah, yeah, I know. Okay.
Um, and yeah, me. I like art.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, I'm an artist.
You are
Uh,
yoga teacher also.
um, yeah, I'm a teacher. I mean, I teach English. I'm a yoga teacher too. Do you know
Yeah.
yoga?
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, yeah, I know. I know very well.
Have you done yoga?
Yeah, I do yoga daily at morning.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, at least 15 minutes.
Yeah, nice, cool. That's what I've been doing, like 15, 20 minutes nearly every day.
Yeah, same here.
Do you meditate?
Yeah, sometime I do.
Yeah,
but
sometimes.
but I do long breath. Like I do long breath. After
Breath
minute
work.
by minute. Yeah, long breath. So
Okay, you just do that from time to time. Like,
after time to time, I want to be it will be my habit. I want to be fully habitual of this. So
nice. Yeah.
yeah.
Do you mean like the ujjayi breath?
I don't know.
Hang on, I need to check the spelling.
Yeah.
Ujjayi breath. It's the breath with sound. You
Oh,
know, you can like if someone is doing it, you can hear them. Like
okay. So this is called Ujjayi breath.
ujjayi, yeah. When you like restrict the passage of the air in the back of your throat.
Okay.
Anyway, so it's
Mhm.
yoga. It's something to do with yoga.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Okay.
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
19. So, how did you start doing yoga, or why, or when?
Yeah, actually, I used to suffer a lot. When I was 17 or 18.
Yeah.
So yeah, my father told me you have to do it. You have to do yoga first.
Like in your mind, you're suffering in your mind, your body.
Yeah, I was suffering from like some dengue or sometimes malaria. So this type of
Oh,
diseases.
right.
Yeah, because yeah, like my immunity was too weak that time. So my
Hmm.
you have to do it. You have
Your
to do yoga.
friend? Who?
Uh,
Your friend?
No, my father told me.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So
Very
yeah,
good.
I started that.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, and now it is becoming very cool day by day. It is becoming like very beneficial.
Mm,
I feel that, yeah.
nice. That's great. Does your father do yoga too?
Yeah, yeah, he do. He does.
He does. You say he does.
Yeah, he does.
Very good.
Yeah,
Okay. So right, you like yoga, right?
yeah,
You like learning English?
yeah, absolutely.
What else do you like?
Yeah, like just these things.
Just those things.
What about you?
Me, I like yoga, hiking, walking in
Oh,
nature, um, cooking,
mhm.
art, swimming, traveling, um, reading.
Okay.
What's
Okay,
your
so like, uh, I have some questions.
okay? Ask away.
Yeah. So first is like, what is the question like which you would not like to answer me? What is that question?
What question would I not like to answer
Yeah, yeah.
from
What is that?
you?
Yeah,
Um, I'm not going to suggest that question.
no, like I'm saying, yeah, like what is the questions which you would not want to answer me?
Ask you.
No, no, no. Like if I'll ask you any
Yeah,
question, yeah. So like which questions? Like if I'll ask you any question and you don't wanna answer me of this question, what is that question?
I'm not going to tell you that.
No, you are not getting me. Like,
Okay.
let us consider if
Well,
I'll
what
ask you
what about?
any.
Can you reverse the question?
Yeah, yeah. Like if I'll ask you any question,
Mhm.
and if you don't wanna to answer me, what is that question?
I'm just don't want to have that conversation. But I could ask you the same question. I could say to you, okay, now you tell me what question you don't want to answer.
Okay. So no, you can ask me anything.
Right. Okay, that's what I'm asking you. Right. What question do you not want me to ask you?
Oh, it went over my head, but what
Hmm?
do you want to say? I don't know. Like, do
No,
you?
it's up to you. You have to decide on the question you don't want to answer.
No, like if if you don't want any question, and you don't want to answer that question. So what is that question?
What do you say?
Yeah, yeah.
Um, you can just say, I don't want to answer that question. I'd prefer to talk about something else.
Okay, okay. Let it go. Yeah, it's becoming stretchable. Let it go.
Have you asked this question to another cambly tutor?
No, I have never asked this questions uh, as a teacher.
You're saying. you're kind of saying like, what's your darkest secret? That's what you're saying when you say
Yeah,
that.
it's related.
But
It's a
but
relate.
people don't want to tell you their darkest secret.
Like sometimes, like someone asks some question to anyone, and like they don't want to answer that question. So, like, what is that question?
In
If
general.
if I'll ask you, like, if I'll ask you, like, do you have any kids, and you don't want to answer me that question.
What will I say?
No, if I'll ask you, like, how many kids do you have, and if you don't want to answer me of this question,
I'll just
so like
say
this
I'd.
is the question I want to ask. Like, what
I'll
is
just
that
say,
question?
can we talk about something else?
Yeah, yeah, of course. Let it go. I'm saying.
I think there's a misunderstanding here. So we'll talk about something else.
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
yeah. Right.
right. I've got a question for you.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Right.
Okay.
Um, what made you smile today,
Today,
if anything?
yeah, like I see my family, so it made me smile every day.
Yeah.
It makes me
Okay.
smile. Yeah,
Okay, that's good. Like, it makes me
yeah, it makes me smile.
smile every day.
Yeah.
Okay. Um,
Yeah.
okay. What's your favorite food?
Like my favorite food is like dosa and momos, these type of fast food and junk food also, and
You
like
like
some
junk food?
Indian food. Yeah, I like, and some Indians, like I like chapati and curry. Yeah,
Why, like, yeah, okay, fast food. Yes, you can say I like fast food, hamburgers, but
yeah, yeah.
like junk food, like,
I like both.
well, it's the same thing, kind of. Junk food, fast food, but like fast food sounds better. Like junk food kind of sounds like, you know,
Yeah.
like
So
you're a bit
what
of
is the
a
what
slob.
the junk food do you like?
I like curry, um,
Okay.
especially Thai curry, Thai food,
Wow.
um, Indian curry. I like eggs, fried eggs.
Okay.
Do you eat eggs?
No, I'm a vegetarian.
Oh, are you vegan?
Yeah, I'm vegan.
Vegan? Are you right? Okay, cool. You don't eat eggs. You don't drink
No,
milk. You don't eat cheese. Okay.
I do. I eat milk. I drink milk.
You drink milk. Okay.
Mm.
Well, then you're not a vegan if you have dairy products like milk, then you can't say I'm a vegan, but you can say I'm a vegetarian,
Yeah,
but you don't eat fish or anything.
yeah. I don't take.
No. Okay. Cool.
Yeah,
What about traveling? Have you ever traveled anywhere, like in
yeah,
India or
yeah. I've traveled
other?
a lot in India, but I haven't traveled like outside India.
Have you been on
Yeah,
a
I love
plane?
traveling. Yeah, yet I haven't any plan, but
On a
like
plane?
plane.
Plane?
No,
Aeroplane? No.
no, I've never
Do
traveled in airplane.
do you go by car or bus or
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
yeah,
I do go by car or
mhm,
bike.
or bike? Cool.
Yeah, or train.
Motorbike or like a pedal bike?
Motorbike.
Oh, right. Do you drive a motorbike?
Yeah, yeah, I do.
Ah, right, cool.
Yeah,
Okay. Very nice. Well, it was lovely to meet you. Our time's up.
yeah, yeah. Nice to meet you.
Okay. You too. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Okay. Speak to you
Thank
again
you.
soon.
Yeah, bye.
Bye bye.